For most B2C sites, users typically want products delivered to their own address, so shipping and billing are usually the same. Despite this, some sites still require users to manually enter their billing address, adding unnecessary steps for most orders. Let's explore how to fix this. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 566 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Use shipping address as billing address by default. Through multiple rounds of checkout testing, we identified two major ways sites fail to simplify billing address entry. First, not allowing users to automatically set the billing address to be the same as the shipping address. Second, requiring users to manually confirm that the billing address is the same as the shipping address. In testing, users expected billing address to default to the shipping address. Failing to do so adds perceived workload, increasing the risk of checkout abandonment, especially on mobile. For example, Tesco's mobile site forces users to re-enter their address during checkout, even though the address was already entered during the shipping step. More commonly, sites allow billing to match the shipping address, but require users to manually opt in, adding unnecessary effort for most. At Costco and Microsoft, users have to select same as shipping themselves, despite this being the likely preference for the majority. To better serve most users and streamline checkout, the billing address should automatically default to the shipping address, with billing fields hidden. Testing showed that sites using this approach helped users stay focused and complete checkout faster with fewer errors. On Zalando, this user easily confirmed that the billing address matched the shipping address she had entered. With the billing address form hidden, users don't need to figure out what a billing address is. They simply accept the default while still having the option to enter a different address if needed. Likewise, this user appreciated that the checkbox confirming the billing address matched the shipping address was ticked by default. Since most users use the same address for both, this approach simplifies checkout and reduces unnecessary steps. There are three details worth paying attention to. Providing a pre-checked billing same as shipping box with billing address fields hidden by default lets users who need a separate billing address simply uncheck the box to reveal and fill out the fields. For everyone else, checkout remains smooth and uninterrupted. For many users, the concept of a billing address can feel abstract, while a shipping address is more familiar. To simplify the process, sites should always have users enter their shipping address first and default the billing address to match it, not the other way around. Providing a summary of the billing address during checkout reminds users what will be used. On Etsy, the billing address defaults to the shipping address, with billing fields hidden to streamline the payment step. The shipping address is displayed as a reminder, allowing users to update it if needed. There are exceptions. For gift-focused or B2B sites, it may be better not to default the billing address to the shipping address. These were some of the highlights from our research findings. We have much more detailed information on optimizing your user information inputs, including over 120 checkout guidelines in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.